beautiful souls. Ever had a bad hair day that feels more like a bad hair era? I feel you. I'm Diksha, and today let's have a real talk about the magic of deep conditioning. I'll share product recommendations and guide you through an easy breezy routine because we all deserve that deeply conditioned, healthy and super soft hair. Before I get into the video, if you are new to our Bebeautiful channel, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Before we dive into the deep conditioning part of the hair routine, it is crucial to pick out hair masks that align with your hair concerns. Here are 3 amazing options. The first one is the Dove Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair Mask. This mask is ideal for those seeking stronger locks. Its specialized formula is crafted to enhance the overall strength of your hair. With the goodness of oat milk and honey extracts, it provides deep nourishment and effective repair for your hair. The second one is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask. Tailored for deep smoothing, this mask focuses on achieving a sleek, frizz-free finish. The infusion of keratin works wonders for achieving smooth and easy-to-style hair. And the last one is the Love Beauty and Planet Onion Black Seed and Patchouli Hair Mask. Enriched with the goodness of onion black seed and patchouli, this mask works to nourish and revitalize your hair. Offering a hydration boost, it enhances the overall health of your hair. Now let's get into the how-to of deep conditioning your hair. Begin with freshly washed hair. Cleansing your hair beforehand ensures that the deep conditioner can penetrate the strands effectively. Then, gently towel dry your hair to remove excess water. Your hair should be damp but not dripping. Divide your hair into sections. This makes it easier to apply the deep conditioner evenly, ensuring every strand receives the treatment. Take a generous amount of the deep conditioner and begin applying it from mid-lengths to the tips. Avoid applying it directly to the roots to prevent scalp greasiness and clogging of hair follicles. Now, here's a trick I swear by. After applying the deep conditioner, throw on a shower cap. It's like a mini spa for your hair. This simple step opens up the hair cuticles, allowing that deep conditioner to dive even deeper and work its magic. Let it sit for a while. Stick to the time recommended on the product instructions. Take this moment to unwind, indulge in some self-care, or do whatever makes you feel good. Finally, rinse your hair with lukewarm water. Ensure there is no residue left behind. Leaving any residue can weigh down the hair, affect its texture, and even lead to issues like product buildup. Now, how often do you deep condition depends on your hair's needs. For most, once a week is sufficient. However, if your hair is particularly dry or damaged, you might benefit from more frequent treatments. So guys, I hope you liked this Deep Conditioning 101 guide for achieving better, healthier looking hair. Before you go, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our Bebeautiful channel and also hit that bell icon to always stay updated with our latest videos. Bye!